Hey, Piero. Oh, you cravenly, cowardly custard. Toki has just sat in the living room, made these kind of noises, as she's still doing, and basically called her offspring out. She said, "Come out, cowardly offspring. Stop hiding in the kitten pen. It's time you explored the world." I've seen Tia do this with previous litters. And out they came. And me going to get the camera to video things disturbed them rather. But Harlequin, who's the braver, has stayed out. Piero's back under the sofa. Oh, no, he's back out too. He's being brave, brave Sir Harlequin. And brave, brave Sir Piero. Looks like she's just giving them a guided tour of the living room. Okay, and now she's trying to make them go outside. Bad idea, Toki. It's -5 out there, you stupid animal. Yeah, you're having none of that, are you, Piero? Nice one, Toki. You've just abandoned them to a whole load of other cats. Poor little Harlequin. Piero's back under the sofa now. Hey, Squeaky, he's not one of yours. Squeaky tends to be nice to all kittens, unlike Toki. Ooh, my mistake. What was that, eh, Harlequin? Wobble, wobble, wobble. Hey, Stewie. Yep, this is your son. Don't eat him. No, Harlequin, he ain't serving the drinks. Now, you know when I said don't eat him, Stewie? I'm out of here. You're out of here, aren't you, Harlequin? Back under the sofa for you. No, there's bravery. That's Stewie. Stewie, don't eat the children. Yeah, Toki'll kick your ass. Hey, Sir Piero. So anyway, yes, the young two are out and about, pottering about the place. 4 weeks old to the day. With Mum and Dad. I don't think they're going to do anything more interesting than that.